Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to show the chat and spaces tab in your Gmail. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this letter icon down below and then click on the menu icon at the top on the left side. Scroll down to settings, tap on it. After that you should click on the chat icon in the apps in Gmail section. Here you can enable the chat feature to show the chat and the spaces tab. Tap on this button on the right side of the screen, click on turn on. And here you have the chat tab down below next to the letters or emails tab. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.